Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary.Christiance. You know me as the van guy, serving you since 1981. We've got some new stuff today. It's a brand new Travato 59K because it's an OK floor plan. We got some new features in here. Let's pop inside and we'll start at the back like I normally do. 59K twin beds, nice aisle space. The headrest does pop up if you want to sit in bed and read or watch TV. We do have a table right here that you can put down to seat people. You can even fill in this portion of the bed, but then of course getting up in the bathroom, that's not working so good. Come on back here. Check the toilet out. So I'd like to show you that all these are full extension, a lot of storage. And these are your locks, so that way they won't come open. And then there's your shower curtain, closet, some of your privacy curtains, and there's a panel that they had off on the circuit breaker panel, probably doing some work. You have a latch here you can put down, make sure that nobody comes along and opens the door. Toilet paper goes in here. We have a medicine cabinet behind me. Nice storage space. Shower. They even changed their nozzle. This has got a lot of changes on it. Sink. The big black tube is for your heat coming through your Truma system. Two doors slide together. Control panels back here. Here's your solar charger. Your Truma system, inverter control for power. There's your power control system, and a monitor panel, propane on and off, heat for your tanks, a sensor, and USB ports. All the windows have a new surrounding around them. That way you can get partial privacy or open them all the way up. This new model has got some seat belts located over here. I never endorse anybody sitting sideways, but they do have a belt in here with a little storage compartment. Your reading lights go white, and they have a tap, and they go blue. So if you wanted to have a little night light and not bother your partner, it's a nice feature to have. Small van, 20 feet long, but my God, it's got a lot of storage. And then over on the door side, partial compartment, entertainment center, DVD player, and a storage space for another controller, whichever you might want to have, is right here. The TVs, I like the TV position of it. Because you can take this out side. That's a pretty good shot. Get under your awning, watch the game or a movie or something. Latches back in place. We're in the kitchen. Single lever faucet. Comes with its own little wash kit. Cutting board, strainer. Fits all down below. Recessed 2-burner stove. Igniter. Don't have to go get a match. Solid surface countertops. Just don't even have the plate frames on yet. It just came in. Convection microwave. Don't need an oven because we got an electric one. Works both ways, of course. Nice extension down here. Now when they did some changes, they also had this compartment and they put a lock on it. So now you can put a bunch of stuff down here and lock it up. Driver's seat turns around. This is the table for the driver plus here, and then for the passenger, it's located right in here. Let's take a look at one new feature that we found. It's got a new privacy screen up front. It's really kind of nice. It all folds down, which here in just a second I'll pop in the driver's seat and I'll show you how that worked for us. There's the button. There we go. Then it's got our Velcro tab here to secure them. It worked for you, it sure works for me. You don't have any of that stuff. It sets up in just seconds. Front wheel drive, V6, 50 miles per gallon. I drove it 7 hours to a show. I got 50 miles per gallon the entire trip. That's in snow as well. 10-foot tighter turning radius than a Mercedes-Benz. Got great visibility in these units. Great ride. Good features up front, USB ports, 12 volt. Auxiliary battery switch over here, so if your engine battery, you can get a boost from your coach battery, which are located under the unit. Cup holders abound. Let's take a peek around the outside. They got the upgraded leather on this unit. This of course has the electric awning. It has a wind sensor, so because they're self-supporting, so if it's out here like this and a big wind comes up and shakes it, so it goes up and down about 10 inches or so, it tracks on in. Outdoor speakers, LED porch light, hookup, 110 cable or 12 volt cable and 110. It's got the total rack system. They have, of course, the 2 bicycle rack that folds down. Your rear ladder, you can access the top. But what's really nice about this system, you take this out. This rack lifts up right up there. See this little bracket here? It just lifts up. You can bring it over and you can put it on the side, and you can access where you could put a kayak rack, a storage pod, or be able to just service your solar panels up on top. It's a very nice system. It came out just in the last couple of years, so it's still fairly new. Generators, a 2800 watt Awning micro light runs off of your main fuel system. Your dump station's here, easy to get to. Everybody knows about a black water tank and what it does. So when you hook a hose to this bad boy, you better have the valve opener. It's going to fill your tank, fill your toilet, and you got a mess. Very nice looking, nice big tires, good ground clearance. The Truma system that I mentioned is a very low temperature. Unlike a lot of the other standard furnaces, you don't want to put your hand, this one, it won't hurt you. Very nice feature. City water, tank fill for water you're going to carry with you. Sewer hose. And of course, we provide you with a sewer hose, a water hose as part of our delivery system. You're going to love it. Propane fills down here, on and off valve. 110 hookup cord, cable. Gasoline takes regular fuel. Hood latches here. Power mirror controls for the top and bottom mirror on this side right here. And then if you push this button, the mirrors fold in. I know you must have questions. You can go to my Facebook, The Van Guy, or my email's here, or you can call me direct. 541-554-9581. Hope you're having a great day. I am. Goodbye.